Namaskara ellarigu. I am Sujata Bairi, Chairman of Skybird Aviation. Today we are in Puttur inaugurating Skybird Aviation as Pragati Vistara College for Aviation and Management. We are going to run here Diploma in Aviation Management and Air Hostess Training, Cabin Crew, BBA in Aviation Management and MBA in Aviation Management. We are into this industry from past 18 years. Today the Gokul sir shown an interest is starting the franchisee of Skybird Aviation as Pragati Vistara College for Aviation and Management. I heartily congratulations to Hemavati Madam and Vice President Hemalata Madam and Sudarshan sir and Gokulnath sir. And Skybird Aviation is not only the training institute, we are the ground handler which is approved by Bureau of Civil Aviation Security Services. And Pan India we are having 11 branches. Where it is, this is the 11th branch. I can see the growth here today only. It's a lot of potential it is there in Puttur and education hub and 100% job assistance we are giving, and where the students, our students already there in Dubai, Emirates and internationally also Qatar Airlines as a cabin crew students are working, and where the diploma in aviation management cabin crew, BBA in aviation management, all courses are we are running. And heartily congratulations to once again the Pragati Vistara management. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪುತ್ತೂರ್. ನಾನು ಕೆಂಪರಾಜ್, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲ ಸ್ಕೈಬರ್ಡ್ ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೈಬರ್ಡ್ ಏವಿಯೇಷನಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಪುತ್ತೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೋಕುಲ್ನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ. ಆ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ದಶಕಗಳಿಂದ ಹೋರಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂರಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ತಾಲೂಕು ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ತರಗತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿ ಅವರವರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಗತ್ಯವಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮಪಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ದಿನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಗತಿ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಸದುಪಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕೆಂದು ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಿಂದ ಸ್ಕೈಬರ್ಡ್ ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸಹಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಫೋಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೋ ಇವತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣಾರೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಗೋಕುಲ್ನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಟೀಮು ಒದಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಸದುಪಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕೆಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಗೆ ಕಲಿತು ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರಜೆಯಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
Good afternoon. I am Sri Raksha. I am working as a business development manager in Skybird Aviation. So I will tell you why you'll have to select Skybird Aviation for your aviation career. So because Skybird Aviation is the number one aviation institution in India, so we have a very good infrastructure as you can see now. So this is called as mock-up room that we use for aviation training, for teaching hospitality and also other communication skills classes. So and also we have a number of placement opportunities that we give our students. It is not that one interview that you'll have to attend. We'll be giving you a number of interview opportunities, and also we'll train you for the interview. There'll be a mock interview session that will be conducted before the placement cell. You'll be going for interview sessions. So before that there'll be a mock interview where your doubts and mistakes will be corrected by the placement teachers, and also we'll have culturals going on now and then, which will improve your confidence and also creativity. Thank you.
So I'm Bibin. I'm working in Skybird Aviation as an aviation trainer and placement officer. I have almost 7+ years of experience in aviation industry. I worked with 2 international companies in Mangalore International Airport. So last 2 years onwards I am working in Skybird Aviation as aviation trainer and placement officer. So we Skybird we placed almost 5,000+ students in different airports in India. So here we Pragati, like Skybird Pragati Institute, So here we are offering some courses like diploma in aviation, BBA in aviation, different kinds of diploma like 6-month diploma, international cabin crew training. That kinds of the diplomas actually Pragati Institute in Puttur they are providing. So after completion of this course, we will be providing 100% placement assistance for the students. So anywhere in India, that is the offer actually we are giving. So it will be in Bangalore International Airport or else Mangalore International Airport, Chennai, Bombay, Kochi, Delhi, anywhere in India we will be giving the placements for the students. So along with the course for a industry familiarization, we are sending the students for the internships in different airport in India. So like 1 month internships will be there, 2 months internships will be there, till 6 month internships will be there. So based on the student requirement, we are sending the students for the internships. So what we can offer means before completion of the course, we will be placing the students. If the students is interested to join in aviation industry within 1 year or else within 6 months, means before completion of the course, we will be providing the placements. So next, like Sandra will explain about like more.
Sandra, I'll be training as a cabin crew trainer. So mainly we have 4 departments. According to that only we are training the students. There is like cabin crew is there, RAM staff is there, airport security is there, and customer service. According to the students' requirements, we are training the students. Like for that, we are mainly focusing on communication skill and the grooming. So grooming is very important for cabin crew and customer service. So according how the students is interest, boys or girls is there. So girls want to become cabin crew. Sometimes boys also want to become cabin crew. So according to their vocabulary and their communication, we are segregating and giving the tailored service in Skybird. And mainly we are focusing on the department which is cabin crew because students could get more salary from that. So we are focusing that. So in that also, once you complete 1 year, after all you can convert it as a international. So after international, more than 1 lakh you will be earning per year. So comparing to other department, cabin crew is getting more. Then other department, AOCS, RAM and all, which is in the ground section. So that section also salary is high only, but comparing to the cabin crew, this is little less. And who have like less communication, they can also join in airport. How it's like you can learn new things from the airport. So mainly we are giving the spoken English to them. After all, if you are there, we see any changes, again we'll give the different kind of training to them. So comparing to other department, why aviation is all about the service industry. So people like to serve people. We can come and join in Skybird.
ಅತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಿನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. It will look really good on you. Amma?
Huh?
Mother is always son's first love.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಳಿಗೆ ಜಿಎಲ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರ್ಸ್.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್, ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ.